We are facing today a massive disappearance of our cultural heritage over the world.
Autant des sites archéologiques sont devenus des champs de bataille.
In the Middle East and Central Asia, actually archaeological sites are being destroyed.
Physical conservation is not possible. In some areas, economic pressure is too heavy.
Or even environmental feature, like I would say erosion, like floods, like earthquake and so on.
More than ever, our human heritage is in danger.
We're right now working against time.
If we lose this part of our history, we will lose a significant part of our humanity.
We cannot just wait and watch.
We started a collaborative research project with INRIA.
And the project was to try to model a Roman villa in Pompeii.
With Iconem, we could go far beyond the initial ambition of the project and started the idea to model the entire city of Pompeii.
They have built a very accurate map of Pompeii where you can see really the role of the map for preservation.
With Iconem, we found a very unique company that has an expertise we've never seen before in digital archaeology.
It's a combination of three different technologies put together. On one hand, we use aerial modeling, where drones are taking photographs in different angles of the site.
Not only pictures, it's also the possibility through this picture to recreate volume. As example, mountains, hills, buildings.
Then we have laser scanning for certain areas that have been considered important. And then we're using also photometry.
This is giving us very, very precise data, which can be used for physical reconstruction, virtual reconstruction, interactive reconstruction.
The important thing is that at the end, these three technologies are going to be put together, giving a complete dimension of the reality of how the site looks exactly just right now.
The model we get is so realistic that archaeologists can use it for scientific investigation.
So in the future, even if the site needs to be altered somehow, everything will be recorded.
Ça va nous aider pour mieux comprendre quels sont les aspects endommagés et ça va aider aussi pour les projets de restauration dans le temps qui vient.
Create a virtual copy of an historical site can guarantee to government or states the transmission of its knowledge.
What Iconem is actually putting for us is like freezing time.
With the document produced by Iconem, we're able to really monitor the evolution of a landscape and to monitor the evolution of the buildings and even archaeological sites.
So that at some point we can have a virtual mapping of Messina where the 3D movements within temples and structures and monasteries would give the opportunity for future generations to really understand how this marvelous place was at some point in time.
One of the big issues of the works done by Iconem is an issue of transmission.
Ce qu'on fait aujourd'hui en Syrie, on ne sauve pas seulement le patrimoine pour le peuple syrien, c'est pour l'ensemble du peuple syrien, mais aussi pour l'humanité.
All the archaeological sites over the world are the last link we kept with our common past.